गाइज आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक इंटर्नशिप के बारे में जो कि आई हुई है कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से। सो बेसिकली इट्स ऑल अबाउट द वर्चुअल इंटर्नशिप ऑफ 2021। सो गाइज इफ यू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज बेसिकली द कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया, so it's a statutory body of the government of India which is responsible for enforcing the Competition Act 2002 and promoting the competition throughout the India. Okay, have a look about the internship. Okay, so in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the regular Competition Commission of India internship program, it has been suspended for the time being. However, for the benefit of the students, the commission will continue its online internship beyond September 2021 and up to December 2021. All right, for September 2021 to December 2021, online internships eligible applicants whose application received by the first of the preceding month, for example, for internship of November 2021, application should be received by 1st of the October 2021 shall only be considered. So guys, who is eligible for the internship? If you want to apply for such internship, what is the eligibility criteria? Okay, so the applicable to the Indian nationals only. The internship is open to the students from the recognized institutions and the universities with exposure to the competition. Students with a placement in hand are not eligible. Okay, so what is the educational qualification? So the students which is pursuing the following courses, it can apply. Okay, for the economics and the management department, MA or MSc in the economics, fourth and the final year students of the 5-year integrated degree program in economics or MBA candidates can apply for such internship. What about the law background candidates? So second and the third year of the candidates can apply bachelor's degree in law, that is 3-year course of the graduation, or fourth and the final year of the 5-year integrated course in law, and the students who have taken the third year exam and are entering the fourth year or LLM students can apply. Okay, for the regulatory governance, MA or MSc regulatory governance, they can also apply. What about the professional courses? So the students of the final group of the chartered accountancy or the cost accountancy or the company secretary, they can also apply for such internship. So what is basically the duration of internship? So, however, applicants desirous of the pursuing internship for 2 to 3 calendar months can also apply with due recommendation of the respective universities, colleges, institutions for the period applied for. There will be a short induction program on provisions of the Competition Act 2002 on the first day of the internship. Okay, so if you want to apply, what is the application procedure? So, application should mandatorily be in the prescribed format available on the CCI website. Applications and other formats shall be rejected summarily. Okay, a statement of the purpose should be accompanied with the application, which should reflect the reasons for selection and the probable area of the research internship program. Okay, so applicants shall submit their applications duly signed, endorsed by their colleges, institutions in the space specifically provided in the applications form with the heading certification and recommendation by the institutions, or in alternative, applications must be accompanied by scanned copy of the email letter from the respected institution certifying that the student is a bona fide student of the institution and pursuing the course with the year mentioned in the application for internship. Okay, so such email or a letter must be issued by the dean, registrar, HOD, director, authorized officials. Application, it shall be sent in the PDF mode online only. Hard copies of the application shall not be accepted. All right, so the emails carrying such requests shall indicate online internship during the month of dash, mention intended month 2021 as subject title of the email. All right, so all such requests for online internship must be sent to internships at the rate of cci.gov.in. all right, so this is all about the internship program. If you want to apply, PDF link is given in the description, you can check it out there. So guys, this is all about the internship. If you like my video, so like, share, and not to forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.